We are wet. We are not so cold, but we're at the seaside. Look at the great, fantastic conditions in front of us. Now, I've only got my GoPro and I've only got one battery, so it's going to be interesting to see how long it lasts. But I might try and do a little 5-minute vlog. I'm down in South Wales, so I thought I'd hook up with this young man, Mr. Nigel Thomas, who had to bail out on one of our meetups recently. So, as I've said to you in the past, if you're around, let me know where you are, and if I'm in the area, I'll call in on you, which I did. And we dragged the wife out. Look at this. She's hiding in the course Mrs. C's with us. Now, I've got no idea what the volume's like because I'm on the GoPro Hero 8, and I've actually stated before I'm not keen on the volume, and it's quite windy and you've got the waves behind me. I was brought down to this lovely beach to see the lovely scenery and the cliffs. You can't see a lot, but I am determined to prove you can get your camera out in these conditions. Because Nigel said to me, would you get your camera out in this? Well, I'd get my camera out in anything, but it becomes a challenge. So let's make a little bit of a short video. Like I say, I've been away this week, so I'm going to put this one out first. There's lots from South Wales coming once you've seen the Riverhead stuff, and I'll be able to put this together quite quickly for you for Wednesday. So you should be watching this Wednesday night. So yeah, I'm looking at the moment, I'm thinking I like the waves crashing on the cliffs and I like all this in the foreground. So I'm wondering if I can get the camera out somehow, shield it with an umbrella, get those little rocks in it and shoot out down that way, just to get a bit of a shot that I'm out today. It's not going to win any awards, but it's definitely going to be a challenge. And then there's another one from up there, looking down along this sort of bit of peninsula, this little rocks and that leading out into the distance. So I'm going to try that. So bear with me, see if I can get the camera out, see if I can get you a quick shot, and this is only going to be a 5-minute video, so fingers crossed. Right, I'm going to be quick. I've got the camera out. Look, I've got my brolly dolly on the go. In fact, I've got a fancy brolly dolly. I've got a two-handed one here. Nigel's still thinking he's got to be absolutely screw loose to be getting the camera out in this. But yeah, I like the little scene in front of me. I like the rocks in the foreground. I like the little separate rock over there, which is bringing me round. And then the crashing coast, the sea and all the messy waves and that in the distance. Very atmospheric. There's some cloud detail. I've bracketed the shot. I'm on. Let's have a look underneath my rain cover. I'm on. Well, we'll go with that as a mistake, because I'm on f4.5, which God only knows why. That's because I had it handheld earlier on. So I'm going to take another one while I'm here. I'm going to f8. I've focused on the rock in the foreground. We'll just refocus. We've got a brolly dolly on the go. There's lots of rain going on. 2-second timers on again. And again, it's all about the atmosphere in this. And we're going to cover up again with the bag, put the bag back over, just try and keep most of the rain off the front elements, or the front lens, should I say. So there you go. That's a simple little shot, very quick, out the bag, on the tripod, bang, done. So it just goes to prove you can actually take a shot. Let's just wipe that off. You can actually take a shot in any condition, as long as you've got yourself a brolly. Right, so we're all right down there. They're all on the wet side, I'm on the dry side, it's much better. Right, so that's one little shot done. I'm now going to just mooch round to the other side of the beach, see if I can get another one. I just want to try and capture the essence of the moment that I'm here. I'm not going to be here in these conditions again, probably, so let's take something back with us. So there's one done. Let's go and find another one, and I'll try and show you this one in camera action time, because, well, it depends on the battery. I'm waffling again. I'm going. Right, second shot done, and we've still got some battery left on the camera, so you're lucky. If I do disappear, I'm going to call it air, all right? So you just cut off and that'll be the end of it. So I'm ever so sorry, I'm going to say it now. We've got another shot set up though, vertical. Camera's in vertical, again the little bags at the top. We've got the rain cover stopping the water. We've got some little black sand just down here. Leading you over to the little clump of rocks first, and it leads you round. You've got a nice little curvage going round, leading you off into the cliffs, into the distance. And basically, like I said before, it's all about the atmosphere of the image today. It's not going to win you any awards, but it's definitely going to make you feel good for getting an image. I hate it. Yeah. Right, I'm done again. This is going to be the last. Fighting with the umbrella. Just lost my bag. The tripod dropped off my shoulder earlier on and it's bounced down this cliff. Lucky enough it's working. But the umbrella dropped down. wanted a keepsake for the day, and we've managed it. With a little bit of help from Nigel. There you go, like I was saying, down on the hill before, sorry, I'm just wiping the water off you. Down on the hill before, I managed to get the shot. I just wanted to put this little 5-minute video together. I'm not sure where the girls are. Oh, Denise is just coming around the corner now, she's soaking wet. The battery did die on me, so I didn't get to say goodbye there. Nigel and his wife just coming to see me in the back of the van. The van's a mess, we've been in it all week. Totally blown to pieces, haven't we? Wind ridden. Yeah. But you will be seeing lots of videos over the next few weeks. Things will be getting back to normal next week. Like I said, I've had the videos been down. We've been away for over a week. We've got loads of stuff. Yesterday's video is an absolute stonker of an epic, isn't it?
Amazing.
Absolutely amazing video. But it's going to be about 5 weeks, probably 4 weeks at least, to get out before I can get it out. The next lot of stuff coming out is going to be Ribblehead. We've got a few videos from Ribblehead, and then we're going to be getting back to normal silly adventures and days out. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like I said down there just before the battery cut out, don't forget like and subscribe. I know it's a short one for me. He's laughing, he said 5 minutes, never. But yeah, until next time, ciao for now. Oh, don't forget, get your camera out and shoot in any weather.